Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a new product release from PRL and I'm going to go over it real quick. Make sure to watch the whole video and give a thumbs up and like, and if you want to comment, comment. All right, well, what part is it? Yep, PRL's new line of steering wheels. Several options available on our site for 10th gen Civic, 11th gen Civic, and the 10th gen Accord. So let's get this box open and see what it looks like up close and personal. All right, so like I always say, double check your part number with your order. It's always good to do before you start taking anything apart. This one's actually going out today to Hawaii. So customer ordered a carbon and suede. So let's get the box open. All right. You can always tell the PRL from the baby blue color. So you can see this is going to go on. Everything retains your factory wheel settings. Comes with some nice protection here so there's no damage. I'm going to take it out and then I'll repackage it obviously for our customer, but I want to show you guys how it looks. All right, guys. Finish is really nice, actually. You got your gloss carbon here, and you've got your red stitching Alcantara suede. You've got the red center. You got the D shape down here. This is actually very nice quality, guys. They range from like $5.99 up, depending on color options. You do leather or the suede, but yeah, this is a nice addition for you guys. Pretty cool that PRL kind of came out with these for you guys. I'm going to leave a link below. You can choose your options. We've got them in stock, and hope to see some orders today. It's the start of the month, tax season, so let's get them going. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning into the video. Please support your small business, and like I said, free shipping on these, usually 1 to 2 days, so not bad at all. We're faster than Amazon sometimes. Alrighty.